Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GTA 5 activation required. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to open up Rockstar Games Launcher and log into your account. Then press into settings. Then you need to go to account information here and then select delete local profile and delete it. Don't worry, it won't. Any of your files will not be deleted. You just need to re-log in again, right? And then what you need to do here next, after you delete local profile, if run the game, if you have on Rockstar Games, if you have on Steam, you just need to open up Steam as administrator here. Then find a GTA 5, right click on it, go to properties, go installed files, browse, and then you'll see this window here. Then find GTA 5 exe file, this one. If you don't see exe, you just need to press view, show, and then select file name extensions. And then run as admin and look if the problem persists or not. If this did not work, then close this window here. Make sure that you're running Steam as admin. Then you need to look for GTA 5. Right click on it, properties, install files, and verify integrity of the game files. It will take a couple of minutes, but after that, just launch the game from library and look if the problem persists or not. And if this did not work, then try to sync your clock. It can be the issue with that. So you just need to go to settings. Then you need to go to date and time. So you just need to time and language, date and time, then sync now, right? And after that, launch the game and look if the problem persists or not. Just deselect set time automatically, then put it again, and then press sync now, and look if you're getting error or not, and then launch the game. If this did not work, if you have, maybe you have possibility to move game to another drive. If you have two drives, sometimes it can be the issue, so you just need to, if you have two drives, you just need to right click on it, then you just need to press manage here, or not manage, properties. On properties should be installed files, and then move install folder to another drive and select new drive. And after that, look if the problem persists or not. And if the last method did not work, then probably it's related to your connection. So try to limit some devices if you have bad internet connection, or restart your router. And always you can go to Windows Defender Firewall. And on Windows Defender Firewall, you just need to go to Advanced Settings. Then on this new window here, select Inbound Rules. Click on one of the tasks here and press G until you see GTA 5 tasks. As you can see here, there's 3, 4, 5, 6 tasks. And what you need to do here to all of them, you just need to right click on them, properties, block connection, apply, OK, and do it with all of them. And then look if the problem persists. If it's working, leave it. And if it's not working, if you're still getting the same error, go back, go to properties, and then allow connection, right? And the last thing, what I suggest to do here is to simply just clean reinstall GTA 5, delete all the backup data, reinstall GTA 5, and then it should definitely work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.